I'm not taking your attention away from the message. I'm dragging your attention to the product, to the hair. B&B luxurious 100% human hair. You can't go wrong with it. Okay. And let's go straight to the topic today. Let's go straight to the topic today. What are we talking about today? Oh, my darling Patricia, you're welcome on board, my lady. All right. What are we talking about today? Our topic today is do not settle for less. Do not settle for any man. Imagine, listen, don't plan as a lady, most especially, even as a man. Don't ever, ever make the mistake of settling or wanting to make a life with somebody who still have an open chapter for their ex. Somebody who still have an unfinished business for their ex. Person will be say their ex is still there, their life. You know it. They will tell you, say, no, they don't break. You know, nothing they happen. You know, their relationship is over. Now, Pikin just born for me. You know, now my children are dead that for. I mean, somebody, if you are wise, you will know if truly the relationship they have with their ex is because of the children or because they still have a soft spot there. You should know. How much is this? Please contact me after the show, please. I don't discuss price online. All right. I love this, your Emma. Thank you, darling. Yes, never ever make the mistake of settling for somebody who still have an unfinished business with their ex. Don't be silly. Don't be myopic enough. Don't be naive to think you're the one that is going to heal the broken hearts. Don't think you're the one that is going to make a better man, a better woman of them. Don't think you are the one that is going to make them forget their ex. Or listen, most of these people, they come to you because they need somebody who will serve as a close chapter to them. If they cannot do it on their own, if they cannot put a close chapter on it on their own, trust me, there is nothing you can do. It is a personal thing. They have to, by themselves, end it. Come to that point where they know that it is over. If they convince you to think, oh, my wife, this, you know very well that they are still in the life of that woman, that children, that woman, and they will use the excuse of it's because of the children. Be at alert. Their conversation, their relationship, the way they talk, the way, does he shiver anytime this woman call? Is he afraid? Sometimes they might even give you the call because they want to put you online the more. Give you the call, say, talk to them. It's a lie. It is a lie. Do not settle for a man who tell you, say, me and my wife no dey again. Have they divorced? Where is the paper? Has it ever show it to you? You go tell you, say, yes, they are divorced. Okay, where are the divorce paper? Are the diary returned? As the diary be returned, say, okay, we not do court marriage, we not do registry, there is no whatever, but they pay diary. There was a traditional marriage that take place. As the diary be returned? No. For one reason or the other, the diary has not been returned. They will give you excuses. Don't worry, stay here, just bump Pikin for me, blah, blah, blah. It's a lie. Most of them come using you as a bait to get to their exes, to pass a message across to their exes, to get under the skin of their exes, to make their exes feel pained. Or pass a message to their exes that you see somebody else wants me where you said I'm not good enough for you. It's a lie. It's a lie they are telling you. They are just using you as a cover-up to pass an ugly message to their ex. Did you get? Before you settle for any man or any woman who is coming from one relationship, but the chapter isn't totally closed yet, be sure of what you are doing. Because you will regret it later. They will end up going back at any, especially when you know that they have a soft spot. Relationship, they get relationship. Oh, not be the one where you just born out of, you know, convenience. The one where you know say, I mean, this man once upon a time loved this woman. You know, you go know the way that they talk. He loved the woman. He paid a bright price. They've lived together for years, especially the ones that they've lived together for years upon years. Oh my God. Be careful, because they will break your heart all over again. And it's even more painful when you feel like, oh, the same person will be saying, you don't make me an aquata. where I have felt like, you know, now me be the queen when he come on board, where he can't take you away from the beast. You are going back to the beast. And then the woman will do you nyoing, or the man will do you nyoing, because they will play it to your face. Never, ever make the mistake of settling for somebody. I will keep repeating this till this message is over. Do not make the mistake of settling for somebody who still have an unclosed chapter that is not totally closed with their S. Especially when children are involved, especially when bride price had been paid, when there was a marriage, whether court marriage, registry, or registry is court marriage anyway, whichever way. Did you get? Don't make the mistake, because you will be the one to regret it. You will be the one to regret it. You will be the one to regret it. I've had so many calls. There are many people have cancelled as a result of this. Oh, B&B, he told me he loved me. He told me it was over. He got to a point. See, if you are in a relationship with any man, that the ex-wife or ex-girlfriend, ex-baby mama can still call you and insult you. Say, now you they snatch my husband. I beg. No do. No do. No be you get 7 heads. No be you be the, Queen Elizabeth, we say, better pass the one when he leave. If the woman is still getting to you, there is an unfinished business between the man and the woman. Did you get? If the woman can still boldly call him any time of the day, no be say the children in the hospital, no be say that they sick, no be say problem when the day no go wait till daybreak, can call him at odd hours of the night. Odd hours of the evening, anytime, any day, and he cannot help but pick that call. The business is not finished. Don't waste your time. If he can still pick the call of the so-called S, go outside, go pick and make you know here. Say, and I'm at Kim Mama, now they call, my dear. Don't waste your time. You will regret, because you will turn out to be the stupid one. Because the S will come back and he will laugh at your face because you wanted to snatch her man away from her. You thought you were better than her. Now you good, Abby. Now you have seen it that you cannot break what God has joined together. I am telling you, I know why I'm talking. These men, most of the time, what they want to do, these women, most of the time, what they want to do, it's not as if they finish with that person. They just want to publicize you. They want to put you out there so that the S will see that, you thought I cannot move on without you. See, I can move on. They have not moved on. It's a lie. They have not entirely moved on. They just want to use you to send a message. Are you listening to me? They just want to use you, and you don't want to be that person that they use as their settlement ground. Say, you see? You say I'm not good. You can see now that she's looking for me. She wants me. She wants to marry me. You don't know what they are telling their ex concerning you. Be very careful. This is 2020. Many of you have fought prey of that so many years ago. Many of you fought prey of that 2018, 2019. 2020. Don't make such silly mistake, because it will be your fault. You know there is another woman, but you wanted to be the goddess that is more better than the one that is still in contact with the husband that is presumed to you as an ex, or the baby papa that is still in contact. You know, say the relationship where they get. Even you know. Don't tell me, I don't know, he said don't finish, you are a liar. Because you know, she calls. She go tell you, she say, every time she's speaking to you, information about her, every of their discussion, you want to tell you. Every time he's engaging in a conversation with you, bringing that S in. Listen, when it's over, you hardly talk about them. That is what it is. When it is over, you hardly talk about it. So might even sound bitter to you. I will never have anything to do with it. It's a lie. Let that same person say you never have anything to do with call and peer camp. You will see the way you repeat it. Because I don't answer them. It's a lie. Those are signs. They are signs. Because somebody who really hurt you, you don't want to have anything to do with, the call is the last person you want to. You will probably block him out of the call. And if you have children with him or her, It's because of children. You want to talk, okay, let me give to the children. What is it? You will know the conversation. By their fruits you shall know them. By their conversation you will know. By their body language, whenever this person called, you will know. Don't ever make that mistake. 2020. Don't try to be the one that want to shook your head. Say, hey, now you want to come play side chick when it destroy the relationship between a man and his wife, when you know that they are not over yet. It's only for the why they will go back. It is only because, I mean, the woman have their soft spot. You should know. He have their soft spot. If you are complaining every time, say, he say yes, he don't finish. But anytime the woman call, he go do this. He see they do this. Hey, and you are still staying there, hoping he will chew. A time will come where he will change and forget his ass and, you know, glue only to you. You are a liar. You deceived yourself. You deceived yourself because that woman once upon a time also think that he will never leave her for anybody else. But a crack happened and they separated. But they are so bound. There are couples who are soul bound. Whether they separate 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, they can never do away from each other. Open your eye. No people like that. No people like that. Because even if they pretend they've moved on, that one particular thing that was causing trouble between them and the other person changed from it, they are going back. I'm telling you, they will go back. They will come with the excuses. She don't born my children. He was my first wife. You know. Now she had been married before. Now because my family no can agree. Especially they tell you. Now my papa, my papa meet no mama. Now my papa pay bride price. Now my family go. Don't mind them. Did you hear? Don't mind them. Now my father, now my mother, they will eventually leave you and go back to them. Don't be stupid. 2020. Stop trying to play the God that separates couples that are so bound, because you will fall short. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, good evening, my sister. Are you still are you online?
Yes, I'm online. I'm still online now.
Oh, okay.
Call back later. All right. Yeah? Don't be the one. Don't try yourself, my dear. Don't waste your time, because it's going to be a wasted years, wasted effort, and then you're going to even be broken more than the S that they left to come and be with you at a time. You're going to be broken than them, because nothing pains more than, oh, so you mean you use me take while away time? Most of you, they are using you to while away time until their heirs will grow out of the state that they don't want him, or until their heirs will forgive them, or until their heirs will start getting jealous that they are with you. They are using you as a bait to get back to their heirs. They are using you as a tools to make their heirs miss them. They are using you as a tools to make their heirs feel like, oh, you may say now she you value past me. You may say now he you value past me. They are just trying to get at them. Especially those who feel they are unappreciated by their heirs, who feel like their heirs is not contributing anything to their life. Those who feel like their heirs was not contributing anything to their life. Those who feel like they were in a relationship yet they were not gaining anything. But their heart is there. Their love is there. Their soul is there. Their spirit is there. If they left you once before, then they come back. No matter, they will leave you again. Stupid, open your ears. Did you hear me? The day their heirs will change, you are finished. You are, if you like, get 5 children, 6 children, their hearts, they say where the treasure is, that is where the heart is. Their love is their treasure. Their first love, nothing changes it. Infatuation, when it's just infatuation, it's easy to move on. But genuine love, real love, when it did that, you waste your time, because they will go back. They will come to you with all manner of excuses, lies, and everything just to convince you to want. Some of you, for Nana, you don't say born for me. The children where you don't born, you don't take care of them. The one where you born before with the S, has he taking care of them? No. But he's telling you, born for me. Born for me and for you now, for your mind. Oh, he loved me, so make I born for her. Picking a new thing for him. He never first born before. Are you all right? Picking not be big deal. Picking not be new thing for him. He don't first born before. Not be your own be new thing. Be go be like heaven on earth. Eh? There are even some of you. Even the women where they live, you never first born for them, but their heart is there. They will use you to achieve their babies. They will still go back to the one they love. Be wise. Do not settle or fall in love. Leave yourself to fall in love with an ex who is still very, very attached, who is still very, very in a close contact with their ex. They will give you all manner of excuses. Oh, she said, if any little opportunity presents themselves, they are going back there. And you cannot do anything about it. They are going back there. And when you try to chat, they will tell you he was here before you came. They will make you look like you were the snatcher, the one who destroyed their relationship. Whereas, no, you did. Their relationship don't get killed before they come with you. But they will make you look like you are the one that tried to destroy or condemn their relationship. You get? Stop settling for people, looking for people who be say them and their wives or them and their husband just get small issue. You want jump enter. Because somebody hey, they get issue now. They will eventually leave you, whether you like it or not. You will play your part. In the man succeeding, making the woman or the man feel jealous and to want to better themselves. And when they do so, you are a goner. Do you get? You are a goner. So next time you want to go into any relationship, check where they come from. Which relationship see they there? Which so are they so tied? Say, I don't know. I beg, check the background. What did they don't be through together? How long have they been together? What happened while they were together? Did they survive those things that happened? If they survived one terrible situation, they survived it together. Second one, third one, family tried to put them together. They stayed anyway. They shop garri together. In fact, they drink garri together. Eat eba together. Just forget yourself. Forget yourself, especially when children are involved, when bride price have been paid. When bride price had been paid, is a quick option. Say, now my first wife. You will come here that time. Now my first wife. She is my first wife. And you will have nothing to do about it. Because even the people who go complain to, they go tell you, say, but now your first wife now. You know, say the man first married now. Then you wouldn't go. And he tell me say it's over. He tell you say it's over. Did you bother to find out if it's over? Were you blind towards the relationship, the rapport between them? Were you so naive that you didn't notice that they were so bound? Were you so naive that there was never a time, even when he tried to talk bitter about the woman to you, anytime the woman call, he can't help it but to pick the call. Sometimes they want to go outside, go pick, and you think you staying there, bearing, enduring, playing good wife, and all that is going to make him change his mind. It's a lie. If that woman wants her man back, it's just a click of a. She knows what to do. The man will come back. And then you will be the intruder that tried to destroy them. That's what you're going to be labeled as. And it will pay you. Oh. It go pay you so there's nothing pay rich like that. Say, hey, you when I come to come help. You when I come in life when you dey miserable. Nah, me be the intruder. It pay, not it pay rich. You will be more heartbroken than the lady they left before coming to you. I am telling you. And the lady go flaunt her. He go flaunt her for your face, eh? Hey! She go do you sote. You go wish you never come in between them. Whereas not be you be the cause of their problem before. You wearing the cause. You understand? Did you understand? So please, stop all this snatch them. Opportunity, they're just a quarrel. Let me enter. Don't do it. Be sure that it's truly, in fact, 1,000 and whatever percent over. Bride price return. In fact, if possible, make it say 2 of them, know they see eye to eye. Maybe say 2 of them don't destroy themselves in whichever possible way. Eh? Maybe say 2 of them are enemy is better. Is better. Not be the one you can't come there and say, hey, my children, they just come here. I want to go and see my children. It's my children, my children. Oh, he have a soft spot for the woman. That is why he's doing my children. There is nothing wrong with a man taking care of his children. Oh. But check it. Is it just because of the children? When it's because of the children, you will know. When it's not because of the children, you know, soft spot go there. Anytime the woman come, he can't help it but to move. He can't help but to answer, go say, "Na my children." And he will even come meet you, like, because he want to make trick men. Their hearts, they are dark and desperately trickful. He will come to you. He will tell you, "No mind her, I can't reach there. She can't say. It's a lie. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. It's a lie. It's a lie that they use you by time. That they use you while away time until they properly settled." Do you understand? So please don't waste your time. All that nonsense of that they call it can't enter. Many hearts have been broken as a result of that. Thinking you are the angel that have come. Angel Michael, Angel Gabriel, Angel whatever, Mary Mother of Jesus that have come to mend this man's heart. When you know that he still have a soft spot for the said wife or ex-wife or ex-baby mama or whatever baby mama. You know, he never marry Anna. Oh, really? And you know, say, he still gets a spot for that. Say, if I met you first. I wish I met you first. You would have been the one to be the mother of my children. You would have been my wife. Hello. Born for me. If they tell you born for me, now that is just no say they no be him. No say they no be him. They never even marry you. They get children where they live, come out from with the S. And then they come in to say, born for me. Who? Jesus. Just no say they no be him. He want use born for me. Who that woman punish that other woman where he live more. Where he go come here say another woman don't get belly for them. You will come pain now where. You never hear that. I don't see something like that too. I know of a lot of people like that where we say they don't come out, go born for another man. Their husband or their ex-boyfriend or baby papa don't go born with another. They still come back together, leave who they deal with. Come back together. You never hear them. You never hear them. Well, I'm telling you now. Don't make such silly, stupid mistake because you are desperate to bear misses. Because you are desperate to have a man in your life. Because you are desperate to just have a woman in your life. You see and say, this one, he never come off for where that one did. He's lying to you. She's lying to you. Telling you, oh, it's over. You know. Don't tell me. I don't know. She tell me. He can't say. He can't that. He told you, but what did you see? What did you observe? Check deep down yourself. Be honest with yourself. Think back. Think it now. Think the whole situation, the whole scenario, everything the way it played out. You will know that they were still very much into their S. But fooled you all along by telling you what they think you want to hear. Meanwhile, they are playing out what you should see, but you kept blind eye to it, preferring to hear what you want to hear, not seeing what you should see, not observing what played out in your presence, to your face. You refuse to listen. You refuse to adhere to it. You refuse to take precaution. Even your friends, when he talk to you, that can say, this man, you turn all of them to enemy. People that told you the truth, you turned all of them to enemy. Then they jealous you. Now, uncle, what happened? Some of you will go extra mile just to make these men forget their women that they left. Now, trouble they get. Every relationship they get katakata. You know, observe. As he come at you, make you really observe. Say, this katakata now for a while. You know, bother to observe. You jump in. Opportunity come, but for once. You jump in. Vacancy day make you quick enter. Now lie, oh. Now lie. It's just a little crack. They go mend them together. And then you will be left on an empty ground. Did you hear? Don't let your heart be broken with the deceitful words of a man who is just trying to get at his wife or get at his ex, his baby mama. Say, he never marry Anna. He said, not do again. Never pay bride price, so he never marry her. But you know, say, they are soul bound. It's more beyond bride price. It's way past bride price. Relationship is more than just paying bride price. Bride price is to honor the parent of the woman, to do the right thing and put respect on the woman. Is marriage, relationship goes way more than just paying bride price. I'm telling you. Because a lot of people paid this bride price, but they can't see eye to eye. There are others who don't pay bride price, but they are soul bound. When soul bound people pay bride price, that relationship, oh my God, if you like, make you be devil yourself. You cannot put an end. You will only end up, you will only succeed in separating them from the way crack. They must link back together. Because the word of God says, deep calleth unto the deep. The hearts, they belong to each other. They have a magnet. They are dragging each other. They want to go back. It's a lie. Something is dragging them. Along the line, they must click. And then you go there an empty ground. Do you hear? So be vigilant. Don't be desperately naive. Don't be blinded by your desperation. Never ever be blinded by your desperation, because they will come to you with one lies or the other. They will come to you to want to make. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Their heart is where their heart is. The only reason why they are still with you is because the one that they truly desire never give them a chance. So be wise. Stop using yourself as a Nami be angel. You are not an angel. You are not better than the one he left. You are not better. You might be finer. Look Pomporiski. You get nyash, you get hips, you get this. Trust me, if his heart belong to that ugly muchacha where you feel say you have come to snatch the man away because of your beauty, trust me, he will go back to that ugly muchacha and you will be pained. They must say, waiting see for her body. Waiting see for her body. Be say, our soul, our spirit, our hearts, his heart, his soul, his spirit is there. Is there. Waiting bind dragon to you in a physical attraction, or the need to want to while away time. The need to want to get over his broken heart. Yes. They will come to you because they are broken at that moment. They are hurt. They feel alone and dejected. They just need somebody by their side. And you just serve as the person that they need, that fit in that category. You see, he said, "Na in children, Papa, he go call them middle of the night, he go pick." He said, "Na the children, the man, the woman, the remote and the pink pop. He go even call you, say you this husband snatcher. And the man they tell you say you don't want them again, say they quarrel, and I make it come up for house. But the woman they call you, they tell you husband snatcher. And the husband know about it, you they report and say, no mind her, no mind her, don't mind her, just born for me. You go born, you will become single mother. He will go back to the wife, ex-wife, that he professed to you as an S. He will go back and become present. You will in turn become the S. Did you get? If you like, listen. If you like, don't listen. Stop being the intruder in people's marriage, especially when you just observe that there is a crack. Especially when this may come to you with all manner of lies from the bottomless pit of hell. They lie against their wife. They will tell you say the woman a winch. They will say you say a bad woman. They will tell you say no they cook for them. They will tell you say she know they bath. They will tell you say no they take care of the children. They will tell you say she's selfish. They will tell you say now so they cause their papa. Now so they cause their mama. Now so they do this. But that same woman where they paint to you as devil, make it call. You don't hear. Sometimes they go if the women will call you. Everything where you and your husband talk, where it's husband care. Everything where be said you and the man where he said this woman a devil talk. The woman go to repeat and to you. Say you this here, yeah? You think you can take my husband. You think you can this. You think you can that. You go report to her and see your wife and go say, don't ignore her. Ignore her. Tori, he's loving it that the woman is even calling you, threatening you. The thing they sweet her for belly. Is getting to her. You have no idea. Jesus. It is sweet her for belly. It's got it to I know follow me. Now it doesn't say somebody else want take me. Now I want the serious. Now I want the didn't want the pain. They are loving it. They are loving it. It's telling you to ignore. Ignore, no manner, ignore. And you they cause the wife. You think they pain her for body, but you go pretend like say no they pain her. No, ignore. Before you know, he's back. Wash out. There are some of you, Some of you there. The man, now Pekin being problem. Perhaps the where they come from, he never fit born with the woman. But his heart belong with that woman. And the parents, society, friends, family are on his case. he will come meet you. Ah, no, she can't take it, he can't do this, he can't do that. I can't marry, I have to need a child. Born finish. If he had, they there. The same person will say no born for that, no do anything. Anytime the person call you, don't pick her. With this now, he will give you reasons why he must pick the call, reason why he must attend to her, reason why she has to go there, she has to do this, she has to do that. Especially the men. Yes. Yes. Before you know, ma'am, don't get what he wants from you. He's back to where his heart truly and rightfully belong. I'm telling you, they love it and they're proud of it. He say I don't mean anything. He say I don't mean anything. He's using you. They love it because you are not the one making their wife jealous at a lot and awake that senses of belonging in them. Say, you don't value me. Somebody else want they take me now. You don't get it. Are you a learner? You don't get it. Leave people relationship alone, especially when you know say they just new quarrel, crack they let them sort out themselves. Yes. Do to a point. Back off. Let them. Don't be the one that say you want to enter. Now you will come back and forget the woman, especially men. Men do this thing all the time. And then you start biting your finger, start making trouble with the one, making the one will be saying, "I even did that before you come back and be like saying, I be the enemy of fish." You are the truly enemy. Where we say, kata there between them, you just took a denta. Now you want to make best of this man. Can't you see they use and dumped you? I have to be bluntly honest with you guys this 2020. Don't do it. Stop being the one that came to put total end. Say the quarrel. He say his wife not there again. He say he not need the wife. He say stop it. Stop it, please. Don't do it. Don't fool yourself. Don't fool yourself. Do not fool yourself because you will regret it. You will regret it. I'm not going to talk much on this topic. Yes, I'm talking out of a true life stories, not just from 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person, 5 person, more than 6, 7 person have, and the cases like this with. And then when I get to ask questions, I realize that you knew, but you thought you could forget this person because of you. You thought by doing everything you do to this guy, he will be forced to let go totally of this other person. She has a contact with you. What were you looking for? What do you think? She tells you they're not there again, but you surprised all of a sudden after all the story where she don't tell you. All of a sudden she called and he pick her. Say, who be that? Say, nah, my ass. He say, really? He's starting to dodge the call. They come out where you there to go pick the call, and you know saying at the ex the call. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? A lady called me and said, the fiancé, the one that is supposed to marry, and she's pregnant now. Middle of the night. That is, it's like say the S they purposely do. But just call middle of the night. Come on, I need you now. Blah 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 blah. You come on. No matter what she go do, because don't say the girl don't already pregnant. There is the girl now. No one come out. Though she saw it coming. She saw it coming because I asked her, was there any call like this before? She said, yes, B&B, I'm not going to lie to you. There was always call, but he always have a way to convince me that I don't mind her. Don't mind her, I did this and that. You get? But she played Angel. Good one. Angel Michael. Angel Moses. Angel this, Angel that. We be saying, now you want to bring deliverance for the man. And now, finally, the man has left and say, family don't beg. Family don't settle the matter. Blah, blah, blah. When I go back to him. He don't born children for now. He's my first wife. Blah, 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 blah. You cannot. She's not been given option. She's been given option to stay as a second wife or go. And also I know marry. My wife know you now. You know say, you know, S now is not the wife. My wife know you now. She know wetin happen. She know say you get belle, blah blah blah. You can stay now. I still love you. I will marry you, but you have to be a second wife. Can you imagine? She called me. She was crying, like BNB. I messed up. Say yes, you did, because you saw it come. Say, but I loved him. That's why I believe it. How can you love and believe somebody you know was still glued to this man, to his ex? Many of you are for that victim. Many of you will still fall. But I hope that by listening to this message, it will help you to some extent to not fall a victim like this, because it's painful. Do not be the one anytime you just married man or man way there with woman just tell you any small lie. Little lie like this. She be this, she be that. Men are fond of that. When they feel that they can't get you after everything lie, what they think they feel they can't get you, they are fond of bringing down their heirs. They will bring down their ex-wife if that is the obstacle. If that's the reason why you are not buying their lies, they will bring her down for you. Honestly, they will verbally rubbish her just so you feel comfortable. Because that's what they want you want to hear. That's what they know you want to hear. And they will give it to you. But be watchful. Be watchful. Before you settle for any man this year, 2020. Any man will be say he don't first get woman, he get woman before. Guys, especially when children are involved or marriage was once involved. Not be just a boyfriend and girlfriend. Marriage was once involved. Even boyfriend and girlfriend, they don't too used to each other. Like, be careful not to talk of. When we say marriage was involved, parents were involved. Like their parents were involved there. Yes. Many of una self, una know say the man una dey feel una for Nigeria, for Africa. You get wife and children. Where you see they call them every now and then. Una feel say now una dey with them for abroad now, fit change am. Anytime they with you now, your own. If you go back now, the woman home, you come they complain. If you reach Nigeria, if you go back home, you know they pick my call. If I dey call, I know the answer. What do you expect? What do you expect? She has told his wife, say, no man, that woman when I get for them a paper. I need paper. You know, abroad. Person needs woman to fit balance. Person needs woman to fit established. She had painted you like a scapegoat for his wife back home. So he's not gonna pick your cause. Sorry. Yes, he has painted you. He's not gonna pick your cause. He's not gonna disrespect his wife like that, because that's his real wife. You know, say get wife. Say, I mean they abroad now. That one they Nigeria. Many of you are suffering because of that. Out of desperation. I love him. Do you really love him? Or you were just desperate to be somebody's wife? I have spoken. Don't force such victim. You don't want a situation where you say your husband go there where you dey. Even the one where they Nigeria can call him anytime where you dey where you dey. You go pick or you go find a way to come on go pick up. But when he go back home, you know if he call him anytime. It's impossible. That is a strong message to tell you that you listen. You are an intruder. You are the one that is an intruder. His loyalty, his respect, his commitment lie with the one at home. Though he doesn't see her all the time, but that is his wife. You know, stone where you take climbed. Resting place. Somebody may just get woman for you. You need to get woman for abroad in order to enjoy them. You understand? Stop being that. Then you start crying. If now 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, you stay for Nigeria, you go cry your eye, cry. Depressed for that few weeks. When you go come back, peace no go there. Few minutes, he don't tell you lie again. And our business, now this thing I was busy. Which stupid busy? Which busy? Which busy? He dey where his wife dey. And he don't tell his wife, say, perhaps his wife go don't know too. But then I say, no worry, abroad, na paper. You know, abroad, you need to, if you don't get women, you need these women to survive. And the story we tell wife about you be that. That is why he can pick his wife in Nigeria, in Africa, call where you are. But he cannot pick your own when he go back there where the woman dey. He don't fit. He don't fit because his loyalty and respect still lies there. You are playing second wife abroad. Nonsense. Yeah? Use your head, 2020. Use your head. No follow people who don't walk that road. Where they find they want to come out, they no see. I am telling you, many people are in that state of mind. Many people are there. They are there. Don't follow that. All right? Better person when the thing go approach them, they not agree. They no agree. Now that one where they no say get woman, we get wife. After because he tell you all manner of lies. And yet, upon all the lies, the woman, they reach them there, they in a very smooth contact with each other. And you are there fooling yourself. May the Lord open your sense of reasoning and bless you with wisdom that will help you not to fall a victim of these kind of circumstances. In Jesus' name. Amen. Do you get? It's terrible. I'm telling you, it's terrible. They are going to go back. So please, it's a simple message. You are never one brother. Maybe as the year they go by, because I've had too many of this kind people crying to me that it breaks my heart. I just have to bring this year. All right. So yeah, maybe as this year, at the year they go, February, January, now with this one, never want they bring all this kind of topic. From January past February, then many of your eyes will be open again, as it has always been in this platform. All right. So please stop trying to be the queen, the slave mama, the slave queen, the chick. Who tells you you be chick? Now when they never enter there, you be chick. They are chick, they house, they are chick, they one corner. Where be their wife? Now when they never enter there, once they don't succeed, give you belly. You are a gunner, you are not a chick anymore. Your chick end. When they don't succeed, give you belly finish. You understand? Your chick end. Your chick have ended. Your chickness don't finish. Once they don't give you belly, can hold. Eh? So be careful. Be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. Stop being silly. You are in a Western world, a civilized world, a world where you have everything at your beck and call if you know your way around. Why still settle for a low lifestyle like that? Why still settle for a low lifestyle like that? It doesn't make sense, if you ask me. No make sense, so it don't make sense. All right? It doesn't make sense. All right, I'm not going to stay longer. I've already stayed long on the other video. On this one, I will not stay that much long. But I'm telling you, guys, I'm telling you, especially ladies, men, they fall victim where for this kind of wahala. Because men, even if you trick them, you can't let her go back to your ex. They go still move on with their life and be with any woman of their choice. But you women, they render you single mothers. They break your heart and turn you to shadow of yourselves. Not good enough for another man to look at again until you are able to pick up your pieces again. Don't you get it? You don't get it, right? So you as a woman, as a lady, be smart. Stop being the one that they use to while away time where they have some certain issue with their women. Stop being the one that they used to pass a strong message to their women. Stop being the one that they used to, to threaten their women to buckle up. Stop it. Stop it. Stop all this nonsense. Stop it. Stop it. Now you nice, Abby. Now you good. Now you want to be better wife. Now you want better pass the wife. Who told you so? Say all this one where you they do, so what the one you they do, say the wife never first do one. Check it. Their heart is still there. Their love is there. They are just using you. They are using you. Don't get pregnant. They are using you. Don't mess yourself up. Because they are going to go back. And then they will render you a single mother. You know if it's sharp. Because somebody husband, you be one collect. Who get husband, don't come collect and back. Now person baby papa, you be one collect. Who get in heart, don't come collect and back. Deal with yourself. You understand? Deal with it. Especially when you saw all the signs. How did the S get your number where they call you every time? Every time he call you, they report to your so-called man. He has not done anything about it. The woman still keep calling you. Whether if you like block her today, tomorrow he go call you with another number. Leave my husband alone. Husband snatcher. Leave my husband alone. He go call maybe you mistakenly even pick the man for go say, I don't want please pass the phone to my husband. He will. You are finished. You are finished. You're not finished. You will just pick the call when you just pass, chick in the house. Queen of the empire. You just pick a hello. You say, I beg, pass the phone to my husband. And her S tell you say B. And she's telling you, pass the phone to my husband. Or if maybe never even marry her husband having her for man to talk. You say, I beg, pass the phone to Papa Joshua. Pass the phone to Papa Joshua. If na name even they call and say, go say, I beg, pass the phone to Joshua. Pass the phone to Bobby, I beg. Nobody you want to talk to. And then with that arrogance, you can't pass the phone. This one, the person was saying, are you there with now? Now that one, you know, get any business with me. You go pass the phone. Don't mind it, the arrogance. You go be, hey, hello. Waka, where do you talk? Okay. Anna. You go start to discuss. They discuss. Before you know, you don't make me come up for where you take us. You need to talk properly. Even if you don't come out, you go say, okay, now. Hey, say, oh, now self. This woman self, He say, what did they call her? He said, Benedict did this one. He said this one, did this one. He said this one. Story! Are you dumb? Really? The woman is telling you, I better pass the phone to my husband if you while the wait time finish, and they can't collect my property. You know, just help me cook for her for now. Help me cook for her, help me sweep, help me dress bed. In fact, help me service her for now. I'm coming back for my property. You know, you don't see her say they get soft spot for each other. Don't mind, even as they fight, they quarrel. Whenever they are talking to each other, there's just this connection between them, and you are there being silly. I have spoken. No. If you like, hear. If you like, don't. Single mothers is just increasing by the day. But this time, it will be your fault. Not the fault of the silly man. No. It's your fault because you saw it coming, but you stayed put. Thinking, you know, gradually, go forget the other woman. You will not forget. Like so banned. They know they go anywhere. I have spoken. And I will end the topic here today. See, my next topic. Is January. And all my topics now in January is a motivational topic. Inspirational topic, just to open your eye, because it's first month of the year. I'm opening your eyes. Then from February, Mangam, we will start to the enter. We'll start to the enter. Right now, it's a motivational topic here and there. Just, I'm like preparing you. I've told you, don't fear. Let the no they fear say, hey, if I do this one now, what will go happen? Hey, my life is miserable. But if I leave now, I don't know what I will get out there. I've told you, don't fear. Fear of the unknown. Don't let that cage you. And I've told you, stop worrying yourself about what you cannot change. Just be happy. Live your life. And I've told you, count your blessings and stop counting your losses. And I'm telling you now, do not settle for a man who still have a part with their ex. Do not settle for a man who still have an unfinished business with their ex. Do not settle for any man. Don't make a mistake of settling for any man who still have a very soft spot for their ex, whether it is man or woman, especially men. But women too, as a man, please don't settle for any woman who still have soft spot for their ex. So they go leave you, they go dump you. They must find a way, even if they're there with you, they must still find a way to they sleep without their ex. When it comes to women, you know what women do? They might not leave you instantly until they are sure that the woman is ready to marry them. But they leave you tricklishly. They sleep with that man for corner, for outside, unknown to you, because they are still in love with him, because they still have soft spot with him. They will cheat on you. They will commit adultery on top of your head, because they are not totally finished with their ex. Their love is there. They are with you out of convenience. It is convenient for them to be with you. When it's a man, forget it. When it's a woman, they go pretend they're with you because it's convenient for them. They need you as a shade, they say cover. But you see that their ex, they go sleep with them for anywhere when it's possible for them to sleep with them. They go sleep with them. They go trick you, say they want to go see their friend. Now lie. Now their ex they want to go sleep with. They go trick you, say they want to go see their sister. Now lie. Now their ex they want to go sleep with. When their ex they town, they go rent hotel. They want to go sleep with them for there. I am telling you, this is what women do, but they go stay with you for there. They lie, manner of lie to you. Before you know, they develop hatred for you. But they will just keep you for there. They will just keep you for there. Because they are snakes. They will keep you there until they are sure where they are going with their ex. That's when they go exhibit, start to the unleash. But then you will be seeing you will start seeing all the characters. They will change all of a sudden. They will change. They'll become moody. If they be say two of them are chatty boss together before, they will start to resent chatting with you. Every activities one they do together before, you will see they start to withdraw one after the other. Why? Because their attention have been shifted back to where their heart is. That is a woman for you. But for a man, story, he just a man will, in fact, a man will purposely want make you and he die just they curse each other everything. Just they curse each other. Leave my husband, leave my, you are a stupid woman, I'm the one with him now. Blah 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 blah. Leave my husband, leave my husband. Leave my husband snatcher. No, he's with me now. La la. He go just relax, go the enjoy man. You think go the sweeter. Go the sweeter for body. Yes. Go the sweeter. Until the time reach, and when the time reach, they no sabi pretend. They don't leave you, they don't leave you. If you want to go hit your head, then you go hit your head. But women, they go pretend till they know where the woman man they go with them. And if they call it the stage where we say they say and say the S just come back, use them, they will suffer enter house with you back till you catch them red-handed. If their secret don't come out, you're on your own. They will come back with you. They need that cover. That's a woman for you. So you see the difference between man and woman. That's the reason why, whether they are women, whether they are men, do not settle for any woman or any man who have not totally closed the chapter with their ex. Who still have soft spots for their ex. They are still in love with him or her. But they'll come, you meet you, spoil their name like, hey, Nala, story. Open your eye. Especially women. Please don't fall. Don't fall for that, because a lot of women do that a lot. Desperados. Hey, and the wife, they quarrel. They want quick enter. Move in with me. Hey, you have finished them. When you just tell them, move in with me. Hey! Now me and her, they live together now. You have killed them. In fact, you have shaved them board. You just shave away all their glory. By the time you just say, just move in with me. Hey! Or you will be the man, just move in with them if they are the one living alone or single. You have won, they have won jackpots. They just won jackpots. Say, hey, don't move in with me, na me. Then who tell you say they live with you? You carry change for them. Because he's living with you, your mind tell you now say, you know, go back to the wife. When you know say he gets soft spot. Or because you they live with her, your mind tell you now say, you know, he and the wife no go settle. When you know say they still get soft spot, if you like, go live inside, he knows. When time reach, we don't achieve what he want with you, or find a way to mend the whatever is it between him and his wife or his ex, whether baby mama what, it go blow you out. Go blow you out of the nose. Then you go no say man. Not be up that they scratch, not be down that they scratch with it go now up. You understand? All right. I have said more. If you like, listen. If you like, don't. You know, there's a reason why God put people like us here on social media to just teach it out to you guys free of charge. I mean, if you go meet your sister now, they will say your sister break your marriage, break your relationship. If you go meet your brother, they say, your brother. But we give it to you. They can't come and hold us and we break up. We just talk and you take it and with it. Open your eyes. Don't be blinded. Open your eyes. All right. And listen. No waiting time talk. Have said that, let me take a few comments. I don't want to dwell too much on this. February, we'll start taking all the topic again, and then we'll start analyzing it more deeper. There are stories with this, so people probably will come online on this and tell you their real life story. I'm telling you, there are some of them who want to come. I just tell them, no, it's January. I don't want to do all that now. Hold it first. All right? Hold it, hold it, hold it. They will come and tell you how the man where you say be their husband go back to their ex where we say they don't curse each other. Sote. Curse each other. Hey, this one do your papa, this one do your man. You did this, you did that. After they don't do all that, they must still leave them. Go back to their eyes, making them look stupid. Making them look stupid. And now what did they paint their past be that? Chai! You know, say you will go back to this man. Why did you make me go through all that with her? You understand? It's painful. It's painful. So be careful. Please, I need your WhatsApp number. Oh. No, let me see if I can type it in there. I'm going to take some few comments. If you have any questions you want to ask, I don't want to do much because I've already taken a long time on the other video. And don't forget to place your order for her. And don't forget to order for your skincare from Pleasant Glow Skincare, a household skincare name. A household name when it comes to skincare. Hold on now, guys. Let me quickly. update the number, and then I take comments. If you have any question you want to ask, you can just put it out there. Comment. Okay, I'm going to comment my number. Hold on now, guys. Let me quickly update the number, and then I take comments. If you have any question you want to ask, you can just put it out there. Comment. Okay, I'm going to comment my number. Hold on now, guys. Let me quickly I just did that now. Even the number, if you click on the video right now, you will see my number right there. The number that is under where I put place your order from B&B Lazarus 100% human hair. You will see the number that is the same number on WhatsApp. It might be on 2 different phones. I separate it. You know, sometimes when people are calling, who is calling WhatsApp, somebody will just call direct and it will take the person off. It's annoying to me, honestly. I mean, WhatsApp on internet, the person take the call now in money, now in data, you know. So I separate both of them so that cost will not be, yeah. So it's the same number. You will either call directly or you call on WhatsApp, but it's the same number. Click on there, you will see it right there. All right. And don't forget to place your hair. Love. Your girl, one and only B&B. Love, unstoppable lady. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Tell those guys out, DM. They have heard. I hope they listen, though. Okay. I love you so much, man. Love you too, darling. Any questions? If you have any question you want to bring about, do that. 5 minutes and then we're out of here. Any question? Please share this video. Share. Let it get to people who need to hear. There are some people that need this. And please, I forgot to say, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Very soon, I'm not going to be doing video here. I will only just do short clips and post here. All right. But my live streaming, my video, my messages are going on YouTube. And I'm still waiting. Listen, but hopefully by the special grace of God, 1st or 2nd week or 3rd week of February, I will have somebody come over to help me install the webcam and all that, because I really don't know how to go about all that. I don't know. So somebody's going to help me do that. Once the person help me do it, I will be doing my live video. I can't go on live video on telephones. I can't go on desktop. I'm not very conversant with that desktop thing. All right. So please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Keeping Up with B&B 2. Let me type it there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Keeping Up with B&B 2. All right. Guys, hold on. Any question, yeah? So please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Keeping Up with B&B 2. Let me type it there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. To my YouTube channel. All right. To my YouTube channel. Oh my God, you just sent. Guys, hold on. Any question, yeah? So please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Keeping Up with B&B 2. Let me type it there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. To my YouTube channel. All right. To my YouTube channel. Oh my God, you just sent. Guys, hold on. Any question, yeah? So please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Keeping Up with B&B 2. I just type it out there. I'm gonna pin it now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. We're gonna be going on YouTube. Very soon you're not gonna be seeing me here like this, except maybe when I want to come and do some ads. Yeah, we are relocating to YouTube. Our messages are of great importance that not a lot of people value it because they get it so freely and cheaply. So come to YouTube so we can do that together there, right? I hope you all understand. I just type it out there. I'm gonna pin it now. Your phone number, my phone number. I already typed it out there just now. Let me. Where is it? This thing that I typed now. Why is it not coming up? Okay, there's it. My YouTube channel. Let me pin it. That's my YouTube channel pin there now, please. contact me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. My number, click on whatever you're using to watch me. You see the number there on the right top. Hello? 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 Hello, my lady. Hello?
Am I speaking with Auntie B&B?
Yes, you are. Where are you calling from? What number is this? Hello? Hello? Stop listening to me. You are listening to the video. That's why you feel you are not talking to me. Stop listening to me. I just dropped now. Call back, okay? All right. Stop listening. When you call me, maybe it's the first time you're calling live video. You stop listening to the video. If you're listening to the video, it will look as if you're not talking to the person because you will see me still talking on the live video, not talking to you. Or you take some time for that part to come up. All right. So when you call me, focus on the phone. Stop looking at the video. Stop looking at my mouth and thinking, okay, she's not talking to me. She's not the one I'm talking to. All right. So yes, if you call back, reduce what you're using to watch me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me quickly pick some questions. In the absence of any questions, we'll just log out now. Okay. Any man who divorce a good woman will surely go back to his ex. I'm telling you, that's sure banker. They're going to spoil the woman's name, spoil this woman's name like they are nobody. But whenever they remember all the thick and thin these women have been through with them, the time they quarreled, they felt everything was over, they settled back again. The time they drink garri together, the time when they be say they even sleep without food together, trust me, they'll go back. I'm telling you. They're going to go back. So don't just waste your time. Don't waste your time and your resources or energy with them. Nice to watch you. I'm off. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay. I'm gonna log out now. Caller, listen, I'm gonna log out. You can call me after the show. All right. Call me after the show. Love you guys and bye. Don't forget to place your order once again. Yeah, this is somebody. I don't know why I keep showing this. I hope this lady do not come here and start lashing out. Why are you showing my hair? Please, I get many type of this. Okay. Place your order. Better thing, You will not understand until you have the one-on-one with you. Then you will know say quality is better than quantity. Cha. Yeah now, organo. Hey. Oh God, see the coil. You know coils even as a coil. Oh, you see me. Honestly, I'm obsessed with some of this hair that I can't help but I have a lot different type. You know when you just come like this, I must get one for myself. Yeah. Hello, baby. This is what somebody says is so all this hair are traveling tomorrow to their destinations. Okay, they are traveling tomorrow. They are going on post. I just leave them there, you know. Because I finished installing them between I installed them yesterday and today. So in the night yesterday when I goes back from work and today afternoon because I was free today. Yeah. So tomorrow they are out. Okay, love you. Place your order. Don't forget to do some. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you love what you get here, if you love this chick right here, your one and only, your Queen Posh and Boys, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Keeping Up with B&B too. I just pin it right there. You will see the name of the YouTube there. My YouTube channel is Keeping Up with B&B. You are here. It's Keeping Up with B&B. The only difference, the only letter you just have to add there is, you know, number 2. That's all. Keeping Up with B&B 2. And you are there to my channel, please subscribe. I mean, every subscription is a step closer to, you know, the number of subscribers we need to have before we can do video with our phone. You know, it's easy to do YouTube channel. You can do videos anywhere you are. Reality TV, I'm bringing it on board on YouTube. Anywhere we do, anything with the Apple, we go to stream live on YouTube channel. So please subscribe. Love you so much, man. Love you too, favors. Thank you, darling. Thanks for loving me. God bless you. Bye. Bye. I need to rest this voice, this mouth on the toxins. You need some chill, man. I love my people. Any question? Una no got question. I don't ask questions. So, in the absence of questions, I'll just take it that you all understand everything we're saying. I mean, you have put 1 and 2 together on your own. On that note, I would say bye, my lovers, and don't forget to place your orders. Don't forget to place your order at B&B Luxurious 100% Yumaya. And don't forget to place your order at Pleasant Glow Skincare, first class skincare. Pleasant Glow. Pleasant Glow. Stop moving and stop that thing one at the time. Bleaching, bleaching. No, it's not bleaching. No, it is not bleaching. Pleasant Glow, they don't do bleaching. So if you're looking for something that will remove all the layers of your skin, I better not go there. If you're looking for somebody that will make you, give you the natural radiance that you look for, the natural fairness that you have already, that's something to glow it, the stage that your skin is already, something to repair it and glow it for you. Fine, don't be something to go. I remember when she contacted me, the first thing I said to her, I was like, no, I don't want to do that. I beg, my skin is already, my skin is already too fair as it is for me, self. I don't want anything to go bleach my skin. She was like, no, it's not bleaching. I said, but at the yes, Pleasant Glow not bleaching. She said, no, B&B, it's not bleaching. This is a. I said, okay, what is it? I took my time and I studied everything and I realized, okay, this woman knows what she's doing and she knows what she's talking about. And trust me, you won't regret it. All right. Bye-bye. Love you guys, my lover. And don't forget, knuckles cream. Oh my gosh. See, just snap your knuckles. Snap them. Send them to her and say, Lady Adeola or Pleasant Glow, whichever one you want to call her, please see my knuckle. I beg. I don't use everything. If I no beg, not even beg. Just want to say, see my knuckle after your money you want to pay. See my knuckle. I've used this. I've tried everything. See the way they behave. See the way they misbehave. Sometimes go clear. Sometimes go black. Sometimes go. I need something that will clear it for me. She go take time exam. If now what be say, see and say your chemical don't over damage and say there's nothing you can do. He go tell you, it's okay. I can only help to an extent, but don't expect it to overly clean because I mean this has been totally damaged by chemical. But if it is a natural darkness or something that have not totally been consumed by chemicals, trust me, she has something for every level of damages that have been done to your body, your hand, any part of your body by your use of harsh chemicals or even things that occur to you naturally. So don't be chemical cause, but it just happen. She has solution to all your problems. Having said that, bye, darling. I love you. May the Lord bless his word in our hearts in Jesus' name. May you not fall victim of somebody looking for a heart to destroy in the name of Jesus. It shall be well with you and it shall be well with me. Don't forget, stay tuned. Maybe weekend, Friday or Saturday weekend. No, Sunday, yes, let's leave it on Sunday. Or Sunday, stay tuned and let us do one of our powerful, motivating messages according to the word of God. Love you and bye. My number, Jennifer baby. My number, if you click on the phone where you take the watch me now, the number there now. I be a no type and make I see. The number is there. That's the number now. The number is right there. After place your order for a luxurious 100% Yuma hair at B&B Luxurious 100% Yuma hair. Then I put telephone. The number is right on that there. The number is there. Just click on whatever you're using to watch me. If it is a desktop, use your whatever mouse. Use your mouse. Click on your mouse on the face of the screen. You will all this will come out. Read all the comment on the this thing on the right up there, the topic. You will see it there. You will see the number there. If it is a laptop, why you they whatever, click. If not whatever mouse you use or your finger you use, just click. You will see it there. Click on the when the arrow, put the arrow on the video and click. Then it will show the write up on the top of the video. You will see the number there. If it is your phone, which is even more easier, just click on the video into the watchman. Just use your finger, click them. Use your finger, click them like that. Or if now your thumb, click on like that. You know, then you go, the video will kind of come down, the right up will come down. Just click on that, say read more. You know that read more. Just click on it, or the right up will come out. And then you get your number from there. And don't forget to share. I love you, my lady. Love you, my intellectual lady. Love you. J Moses. You are just coming. Go and watch the video from the beginning. I'm logging and I'm done. Bye, darling. Bye. Please share this video. I know why they say share this video. Because you get some desperados where they say they go for victim of the same thing. A battle for victim of the same thing. Some of them are inside now. Share this video. Maybe they go here and go say, okay. I beg share. We are tired of hearing he do me this, he do me that, he do me this. Share. Love you. Exactly. Rejoice, Enoma. Thank you. That's the number. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Bye, darling. I'm done. See ya.